Welcome to another episode of Kamal's Kitchen. Today I made crispy okra, crispy bhindi, crispy ladyfinger. The ingredients is 1 cup gram flour and 1 tablespoon of crushed red pepper and 1 tablespoon of crushed cumin and crushed coriander seeds and 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of red pepper powder and 1 tablespoon of chaat masala and this is the half 1 kg or half kg bhindi cut in slices, thin slices. You can slice 1 and 2 3 to 4 if 1 tablespoon of chaat masala and 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder and cut in the bhindi in the center and then slices and then marinate the bhindi in spice powders, dry spices, and cut in the remove the upper tip and the lower tip, base tip of the bhindi. Slice the bhindi vertically into 3-4 pieces. If you have small size bhindi, then slice into 2 pieces, only 2 pieces, and then marinate and add all spice powder and then marinate in 25 to 30 minutes. Cut bhindi in the center and then remove the seeds. Marinate the bhindi or okra. Add gram flour, crushed red pepper, crushed cumin and coriander seeds, and corn flour. 4 tablespoon of corn flour also add, and add salt, turmeric powder and red pepper powder and chaat masala and raw mango powder is 1 tablespoon. Add and marinate the okra or bhindi for 25 to 30 minutes, and you can marinate in 1 hour and then fry and marinate the bhindi or okra and then fry in golden brown. Mix all masalas in the bowl. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water you can use, and then marinate the okra or bhindi. Add all masalas and then fry all okra in the golden brown, and then serve in the green chilies and dahi raita. Fry the first batch in the high flame or medium flame. The first batch is fry the high flame. Add deep fry the all okra in the golden brown. You can fry the okra in the 2 to 3 batches, 3 to 4 batches, and then serve. add chaat masala and khatai powder and black pepper powder and corn flour and gram flour and add black pepper powder and chaat masala 1 tablespoon and then mix well and sprinkle all the spice powder including salt one by one on the sliced bhindi and marinate and add 3 to 4 tablespoons of water and mix well in bowl and marinate the all bhindi in 25 to 30 minutes. In a pan, heat deep fry fry the bhindi in batches. You can fry in 3 to 4 batches. Add the first batch of marinated bhindi after the oil gets hot. Fry one medium flame. Then one side becomes crisp. Turn over each bhindi and fry the other side. All bhindis fry. Serve with green chilies and coriander leaves and cherry tomatoes and dahi raita. Share my recipes with your family and friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell and thanks for watching.